In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove video background OBS Studio free. By the end, you'll have a clean cutout of yourself without a green screen, ready to sit over any image or video background inside OBS. First, you'll need a free plugin called Background Removal. Head to the official OBS forum or the project's GitHub page and download the latest release for your operating system. Close OBS if it's open, run the installer, and then relaunch OBS so it can load the new plugin. If you don't see the filter later, double check that OBS was restarted after installation. With OBS open, look at the sources panel. Make sure your webcam or capture device is already added as a video capture device. This is the source we'll be removing the background from. Right-click your camera source and choose Filters. This opens a window where you can add effects that process your video in real time. In the Filters window, under Effect Filters, click the plus icon and select Background Removal. Name it if you like, then confirm to add it. You'll immediately see the plugin's controls and a live preview of your camera. Next, set the inference device. If your computer has a dedicated GPU and you see it listed, selecting it will usually give you smoother performance. If you don't have a dedicated GPU, choose CPU. This may use more processor power, but it works on most systems. Choose a segmentation model. Robust video matting typically delivers higher quality, keeping fine details like hair while separating you from the background. If your system struggles or you want the lowest latency, switch to a faster model at the cost of some edge precision. Use the threshold slider to fine-tune how much background gets removed. If you see parts of your background peeking through, slowly increase the threshold. If the filter starts cutting into your face, hair, or hands, dial it back slightly. Good. Even lighting on you and a less cluttered background will make this step easier. To improve the outline, enable the contour filter or add feathering. A small amount of feathering softens harsh edges and blends you more naturally into the new background. Avoid cranking it too high, which can make you look blurry. Finally, add your new background. Create or select an image or video source and place it below your camera source in the sources list. Anything underneath your camera source becomes the visible backdrop. Resize or reposition as needed so everything fits your scene. That's it. You now have a clean background removal setup in OBS, completely free and ready for streaming, recording, or virtual presentations.